Hi everyone, I'm Elisa Carollo from Observer, arts reporter, here at the pre-opening of the Venice Biennale, curated by the late Kuo with their international team of curators. The Biennale invites you to slow down. The title this year is Minor Keys, a lot of meditation, contemplation, and slow encounter with the artworks. The Biennale this year gathers 110 artists from all over the world, mostly artists that she met during her life in a very relational, emotional way. Considering the time where we are living, of course, politics could not be avoided. There was a lot of tension leading to the Biennale that manifested also today. We had the withdrawal of the international jury, as well as today these plates of the Pussy riots in front of the Russian pavilion. Nonetheless, the Biennale brings very interesting perspectives. All the themes that you find in a Biennale, they're more or less what you find generally in Biennales. Post-colonial ruminations that try to heal and mend those fractures between human history, but also between human and nature. It's very interesting. There are very little representation of humans. There's a lot of nature and mythology and symbologies from different cultures all over the world, trying to maybe suggest a reawakening in other sense. The Biennale is a chorus of voices, very heterogeneous. The only thread that you will find is really this invite to slow down and contemplate and take your time to explore this Biennale. Here from Venice, all the coverage is going to be on observer.com.